you here once again. Has anyone told you about YouTube keywords? If I tell you that YouTube keywords on your channel has a lot of impact it plays, what I mean impact, positive impact on your YouTube channel. I recently discovered that YouTube keywords has a lot to contribute in you getting your watch hours, in you getting visibility, and also getting people to subscribe to your channel. I will break it down to you and also put a video on exactly how you can get this set up on your channel so you can get visibility. You can also get your watch hours, the type of video you would like to watch, because it's power packed with a lot of value and something that will really benefit you. Please, I will appreciate you watch this video to the end, because you will really benefit a lot. These are the simple mistakes we all make, like we don't really put into consideration while we are running our YouTube channels. We keep complaining that we're not getting our watch hours, we're not getting visibilities, we're not getting people subscribed to our channel. The point is your keywords, has it been set up? Have you set up your keywords that is speaking about what you do on your channel? Please stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, I'll appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications so that anytime I upload a new video, you will always get notified to watch my video. So what we do here is how you can grow your YouTube channel. If I tell you that I got 3,000 subscribers within 3 days on this channel, you won't believe it. These are things that I actually put in place, strategies that I put in place, and it worked. So I believe it's going to work for you as well. So please, first of all, what are YouTube keywords? YouTube keywords helps you to level up your channel. It helps your channel to get visibility. It helps your channel to get optimized. So when it means optimize means people actually, is this your channel? Is this whatever you create, whatever content you create on your channel, are people seeing it? Are people discovering it? Is YouTube algorithm really pushing it to the right people? Let's say, for instance, you're doing content on how to grow your YouTube channel, and people that are seeing it are people that are learning how to cook. I mean, it doesn't work. So all these things depends on your YouTube keywords. So please watch this video to the end. Like I said in the intro, that I'm going to be showing you where exactly and what you need to do right to get your keywords set up on your channel. There are a lot of people get this done. It's a fee, you must pay for them to do it for you, but I'm doing it free of charge. Okay, so I'll continue to bring up content like this on this channel. Please, like I said, getting your YouTube keyword set up. First of all, it increases visibility and discoverability. Like I said earlier, it tells YouTube what exactly your channel is all about. It makes YouTube to know that, okay, this is what this person does on this channel, this is what this person talks about on this channel, and YouTube algorithm helps that video push it to the people that needs it. That's just it. But if you don't get your YouTube keyword set up on your channel, you just be there. While other people are smashing their watch hours, smashing their subscribers. You'll just be there. So is your YouTube keywords, is it in line with what you do? So secondly, primary benefit of getting your YouTube keyword set up on your channel is that the targeted audience reach. The people that need this content, are they seeing it? Are they seeing it? Are they discovering this content? Are they seeing your video? Is it really helping people? Yes, a lot of people. There's nobody that will tell me you're doing a video that doesn't have value. Every video you put out on YouTube has value, has something that you will take from, that has something that you will learn from. Especially, let's say, that's based on the fact that is those videos getting to the people that actually needs that video. So for those of us that talk about YouTube growth, our video, is it getting to the people that really wants to practicalize what we are talking about? Are they really seeing it? People really see it, you understand? So the right views, which leads to engagement on your channel. So that those people that really need, if they see it, of course they will watch it. I've been seeing a lot of channels, that talk about YouTube growth. I watch them. You understand? So if there's any other person that is doing all this content, if I search and I don't see it, then it's not YouTube's fault. The person's setup, keyword setup, is not in place. So which you really need to work on as a YouTuber. It also gives you a better performance metrics. You understand? Performance metrics in terms of it increases viewers retention. Of course, if someone is into YouTube growth and is what I need, of course I would watch it. You don't even need to force me. I would watch it because there is something I am looking for, because there is something I need to really get from that video. So that is why it will urge me to stay calm, watch that video, and take what I need to take from that video. So it also increases long-term growth for YouTube growth. It's really key for a successful YouTube growth. For those of us that are coming up, do you understand? So please, I would also put up a video on how you can get this sorted out, a step by step. So please watch this video to the end, because you will really take something from this. Because it's just of recent I understood that. So I've been doing video all this while. I've been running this account without even getting my keywords set up. I was like, wow. So how on earth do I expect people to see my video? How? It's not possible. We're talking about YouTube algorithm. We're talking about increasing of watch hours and all of that, YouTube optimization. These are the things you need to check on your account. Very important. So please see the next video on how to get your YouTube keyword set up. Okay guys, so this is the screenshot, the video I actually step-by-step guide I did on my phone on how to get your keywords set up. So you go to your Brave browser. I use Brave browser. So just type in your YouTube studio page on the web browser, or you can just type YouTube desktop site. So it takes you to your channel directly instead of going through the usual YouTube app. You won't see that. You can just do YouTube studio desktop site, then it takes you directly to your YouTube page. So you can see how far and how well my channel is doing, right? So this channel was just created this month and already have over 3,000 subscribers. So these are strategies that basically work. It's something I've actually put in practice and it's working. So I would like you to pay attention. So you just go down to scroll. Okay, so you go down to, you scroll down, right? You would see the settings feature. So click on your settings and click on channel. So once you click on channel, you would see where exactly you're supposed to input the right keywords. So you can see them right now. So once you click on channel, you see under basic information, you can see keywords. After your country of location, you see keywords under basic information. So under that keywords, that is where you put the keyword that pertains to whatever niche you focus on. So whatever niche you focus on, put all the keywords there, and all these keywords must be contained in your topic, because it helps the YouTube algorithm to push your videos to the right audience. So thank you very much. It's all about is to help content creators do the right thing to ensure their channel grows successfully, to ensure that their videos is being seen by the targeted audience, to ensure that they get that increase in watch hour, to ensure monetization process easy. So please, I hope you do enjoy this video. Please, if you do, kindly like this video, turn on post notifications, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video. So I'll be coming up with great content, things we can learn from on YouTube, to ensure that our YouTube monetization progress becomes seamless without stress. So thank you very much for your time. This is Learn with Chioma, and have a wonderful day.